on the broadcast. This is about the Kapur Inheritance Saga. There's a big twist which has come to fore, perhaps the most explosive update yet. So the big question is, has Rani Kapoor blamed her late son Sanjay? Deceased Sanjay has been dragged into the legal battle, and this is based on what Rani Kapoor has said. She said either Sanjay was manipulated or he was complicit. Organized scheme to target assets. Priya benefiting at Rani's expense. Rani excluded from own holdings. These are the latest arguments that have been made. Dipankar is getting us more details. Is Rani Kapoor blaming her own son when she says he was either manipulated or complicit?
Well, yes, Rani Kapoor, in her suit that has been filed before the Delhi High Court, where she is challenging the RK family trust and seeking its dissolution, has also gone on to say that Sanjay Kapoor was also involved in the conspiracy. However, it is not clear whether he was manipulated or whether he had gone into this entire conspiracy willingly. She has not very clearly stated about that aspect. But she has very clearly stated that he was also involved in this case. So there is a kind of a blame that is being put also on Sanjay Kapoor, apart from Priya Kapoor and all the other defendants that are there. There are about 10 defendants who Rani Kapoor is blaming in this entire case, including Priya Kapoor. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what further she says in the argument, what arguments does she bring forth regarding whether Sanjay Kapoor was involved or not. However, in the plea that has been filed before the Delhi High Court, she says that she's not clear whether he went into this entire conspiracy willingly or whether he was manipulated to go into this entire conspiracy with Priya Kapoor, where the entire state that was bestowed upon her through the will of Surinder Kapoor was taken away from her and put into the RK family trust, or the Rani Kapoor family trust as we know it. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what arguments does she put forth regarding the involvement of Sanjay Kapoor in this entire case. Over to you.
Right. So Dipankar, Rani Kapoor is saying whether Sanjay was manipulated or complicit, but there was a scheme which was organized to target the assets, and she says that Priya Kapoor is benefiting at Rani's expense.
Well, yes, she has been claiming that Priya Kapoor was also involved in this, and the entire estate that was bestowed upon her through Surinder Kapoor's will was taken away from her. She has gone on to say in the plaint very definitively, she has explained that how this entire will was formed of Surinder Kapoor, where she was bestowed all the assets, all the estate of Surinder Kapoor, and she had put those assets and estate in two different trusts. But behind her back, when she fell ill, behind her back, all this, the two estates were, the two trusts were merged together, and all the estate in those which were parked there in the two different trusts were put in under the RK family trust, and this all was done in a conspiratorial manner. And she goes on to say that whether Sanjay Kapoor was involved in this or not is not clear, but all this was done on the expense of Priya Kapoor, and all her legacy and all the estate that was in her name has been taken over by Priya Kapoor. That is what she is claiming before the Delhi High Court. But we will have to wait and watch as to how these arguments, how these submissions are being substantiated by her. We'll have to wait and watch as to what she brings forth before the Delhi High Court when this matter is taken up in this week.
All right. Dipankar, do stay on with us. So there's a big twist as far as Rani Kapoor is concerned. Rani Kapoor has moved Delhi High Court and has filed a suit against Priya Sachdev. She's also complained against 24 other people. The case is about the RK family trust control. Rani Kapoor alleges fraud and conspiracy, and also claims that there was a bid to deny her legacy. She has sought RK trust deed, and she wants that to be declared void. So Rani Kapoor has moved Delhi High Court with these arguments. There's a new twist in the Kapoor family dispute. Rani Kapoor has also, in a way, placed the blame on Sanjay Kapoor when she says that she does not know whether he was manipulated or complicit, but there was a scheme that was organized, and Priya is benefiting from it. She's moved Delhi High Court now against Priya Sachdev Kapoor and 24 others. Dipankar continues to be with us on the broadcast. Meanwhile, Patiala House Court has commenced recording statement of Priya Kapoor in a closed courtroom. Her counsel had requested in camera proceedings. Mandira Kapoor is the late businessman Sanjay Kapoor's sister. Dipankar continues to be with us. So statements being recorded at the moment as we speak, Dipankar?
Well, yes, Priya Kapoor is, as we speak, currently in the Delhi Patiala House Court, where she is recording her statements in that criminal defamation case that she has filed against Mandira Kapoor and one other accused, alleging that defamatory and intentionally hurtful statements were made by Mandira Kapoor while giving an interview to an online platform. And she has also this entire proceeding that is happening before the Delhi Patiala House Court is happening in a closed door, behind closed doors, in an in-camera proceeding, which was requested by the counsel of Priya Kapoor. As soon as the matter commenced, as soon as the judge began hearing the matter, the first submission was made that this entire case this entire recording of evidence should be done in camera, and the court had very gracefully ordered that this entire case, this entire pre-summoning evidence that is going on will be done in camera. So as we speak, she's inside the the judge's courtroom, and she's recording her statements. It is very important for the viewers to know that under the Indian criminal law, there's a rule that the pre-summoning evidence has to be given in cases of criminal defamation, where the complainant has to give her statement showing that how she is defamed.
All right. So Dipankar, keep tracking all the developments and we'll come back to you for more inputs. For the moment, we are moving on and shifting our focus to more